it shines a lifeline. Escape is what I need. I should have listened last night, girl. This is beyond belief, that we keep falling for the lure of liquid confidence and lies. And we skydive from walls we built, dying just to feel alive. On the way down screaming,